This is a big one. This is huge, actually. In fact, double XL? No, triple XL. This is bigger than big. This is what you want if you got a large vehicle, right? I mean, if you don't want to, you have to get out a ladder. I mean, it's bad enough that you're out there scraping snow off your car, right? I mean, you don't want to have to get a ladder out as well. So now the thing is, you can still use this with a regular car, a sedan, a little hatchback or something, as they show here. But it's just going to be like you're brushing off snow with like a 10-foot pole. I mean, look at this thing. It's going like way past this guy. So this is interesting, I mean, you wouldn't have to buy another one. Now you might say, well, yeah, 72 inches is the maximum length. That's as big as it gets. But yeah, the thing is, it doesn't really get much smaller than that. That's the thing. You can see it right here. It's telescoping, but it only telescopes down from 72 inches to 64 inches. The main, the way this thing is put together is there's different pieces, right? There's different parts that kind of snap together. That's how you get that length. So yes, they advertise it, telescoping, but it doesn't telescope much. And it's not just the size of this thing that makes this thing pretty cool, pretty badass actually, is really the fact that they've really engineered the different ends here, the different brushes, to really give you a lot of options with this thing. Like, maybe you want to use it a certain way, or you just got, a certain thing that you like to do. This will give it to you all the time, in one brush. So what are we talking about? Yeah, we're talking about, how about a hard brush and a soft brush? The softer bristles are in the middle. Now, what's the advantage of that? I have no idea. I have no idea, but it seems like a good idea. And then what is actually a good idea for sure is on the flip side. So not the other end, but on the flip side of the brush, there's actually a squeegee. How cool is that? Now, they actually don't even advertise this correctly. Right down here, they say it's an ice scraper, but I think somewhere in the listing they do actually say it's a squeegee. So you can see there, whenever you're brushing off snow or whatever, you kind of have, like, especially the wind starts blowing around the snow, as you're brushing it off the car, it accumulates on the windshield, right? So this is what they're saying, is you can just squeegee it off. Or maybe it's even, almost melting, maybe the sun's starting to come out. You can use this, it's like a proper squeegee. They say it's silicone. So yeah, it'll just really, give your windshield a nice clean look. Same thing, you could probably use it on the side windows as well, right? So, and then the other thing is, the other end has this triangle part that's like multi-useful. So you can actually remove it, flip it around, turn it around, depending on what kind of edge do you want? Do you want that serrated edge? And I don't know. I mean, you're not cutting stuff, but I don't know. Maybe that edge still cuts through ice better. Maybe it does. I mean, it's kind of got me thinking now, right? I mean, maybe that would work better. Or, you got the smooth side. There's even the little corner part there has got like a little pick. So yeah, I mean, it kind of seems like they've thought of everything here. Now, the only thing I am a little concerned with this product is this pivoting head. So this, this could make or break the product, really. I hope the different pivots, the different selections you have there, I hope it really locks into place, right? Because if it's flopping around on you, that could really destroy the product. So that's kind of a question mark. I think, at least personally, I'd rather just have it just fixed. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Maybe you find a use case scenario for being able to tilt it, right, or pivot it down to a different angle. I don't know. It could be useful. I haven't I haven't scraped off snow off like a semi truck or a bus. So yeah. Hopefully, as I mentioned, hopefully this was helpful, and maybe it's just something to consider. Maybe something to put on your wish list. And yeah, thanks for watching.